Hey, welcome back. Let's talk about video editing, a step you can either keep really simple or take to the next level, depending, of course, on your personal goals. You have started this course creation journey and you already found out just how many videos you need to create for just one single course product. If you then add your future landing pages or VSLs or video sales pages, and then promoting your course with videos on social media and in Google Ads, for instance, you realize that editing videos is or will be a big part of your online business. Simply put, if you want to be successful online and eventually make a living from it, you will have to create and thus edit video content. So it's a skill worth developing and polishing. And first, the good news. There are plenty of free and professional video editing tools out there that you can choose from. From basic apps that you can use for free on your Mac or Windows PC, to professional software like Premiere Pro, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, or perhaps CapCut, which became popular when TikTok started to blow up. The good thing about that software is that they have a really good, if not the best, mobile app to edit on the go. We'll dive into actual editing tutorials in later videos, but for now, I want to help you make the right choice for your specific situation. So here's the key question. Is your goal to become a video editor in your own right, to produce high quality, polished video content for your brand? Or is editing just a means to an end for you? Something that you want to spend as little time and of course money on as possible. If you're building a personal brand and video is or will be your main way to communicate, learn the tools properly, invest the time and invest in the software. And I mean both in the actual monetary investment, but especially in time. This will eat up a lot of your time. However, if you're focused on just getting your course out there and the editing is just a simple step in the process, a mere means to an end, then keep it lean. Use what's quick and what's free. What matters is that your message is clear and that your delivery is confident. Polish helps, but clarity sells, as they say. We'll cover editing in more depth later with step-by-step tutorials in both Premiere Pro and in DaVinci Resolve. Let's move on to the first tutorial.